after a weekend of heat and humidity. And really it was warm not only here at the ground, but also going up. And so we saw very few in the way of clouds form. Had a couple of them later tomorrow, late yesterday afternoon. And we had a couple of thunderstorms try and pop up yesterday. Same story today. You're seeing there is some development here. You got the puffy cumulus clouds indicating there is some instability, but they aren't growing all that much, at least when we're looking here from Champions of Keene Trace over there in Jessamine County. But we can find some thunderstorms, and we'll look at them in a second, because the big story right now is the heat. There is a heat advisory across northern, northeastern Kentucky. It doesn't say it's going to be necessarily any warmer in Dry Ridge than it's going to be in Cynthiana, but there's different criteria between Weather Service offices what constitutes a heat advisory. So that's why there's a heat advisory across the northern part of the area. Tomorrow we are still stuck in the muggies. From Wednesday on, the heat ridge that's been around, that's part of the warm air aloft as well, it begins to collapse. And as that happens, we stay tropical. We are going to stay warm and muggy, but we will be having more thunderstorms to deal with as we go through the rest of this week. Low 90s yesterday, low 90s today, low 90s tomorrow, though beginning to shave a couple of degrees off. We're heading toward Friday. We may actually be below normal for a day before starting to come back up again on Saturday. Big story is the heat index. It's a combination of heat and humidity, and really it's how you feel when you walk out, how your body reacts to it. When there's a high water content in the air, the dew point is what we talk about with that, what happens is the sweat, which is your body's natural cooling mechanism, it doesn't evaporate away. That begins to heat up your body then, so your body becomes less efficient at cooling itself up. Now, the heat index is not measured directly. We don't have an instrument that's the heat index meter. No, we don't have one of those. But again, when the dew point or the moisture in the air, as it gets higher, the spread between the actual air temperature and the heat index increases as well. My friends, there is your formula. Go ahead. Figure it out. T equals temperature, RH is relative humidity. Have fun. Or you can just look at a chart or on the internet to find out what the heat index is, which, as we look at tomorrow, the heat index, we will start out in the low 70s, which is about what the air temperature will be. As we get into tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see those heat index numbers shooting back into the upper 90s with air temperatures in the low 90s. You're at the point where you really do need to start taking some care with that dew point above 70. Stay hydrated, don't overexert yourself, and make sure your pets have a nice, dry, and cool place to stay, along with plenty of fresh water. As we're looking at the dew points tomorrow, you're talking those running in the low and mid-70s. It will stay muggy. As we get you on into Wednesday, another day with mugginess, but not quite as warm with more thunderstorms around. The dew point at the moment, we're hovering right around 70. The air temperatures are in the low 90s, though. And so, again, you're dealing with that heat index is in the upper 90s and pushing 100. 93 right now at the Bluegrass Airport. It is sticky. Big tropical rains coming into Texas. We've got a smattering of thunder showers in the Ohio and Tennessee Valley. Other thunderstorms going up across the Midwest. So for tonight, mainly clear. What thunderstorms are out there go away. It's warm, it's muggy. We'll drop down to the low 70s. Partly to mostly sunny, hot and humid tomorrow. Heat index again pushing 100. A stray thunderstorm is a possibility, but it's not a big chance. We're looking at better chances of rain Wednesday and beyond. Summer officially starts on Thursday, just in case you are worried about that. But, because, gee, we haven't felt it yet.
No. Gosh, today is so warm. And good news, everyone. The HVAC people are here at LEX 18 getting our air fixed because it is warm.
Working hard.
Yes.
That's why I have my office in the coolest part of the building.
That's right. Bill's a smart man.